Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Classic design with soft, rounded shapes and generously sized armrest makes Visca 4 sofa a statement piece in any living room. The deep seat with pocket springs is really soft and creates an inviting, embracing feel when you sit on the sofa. You can choose from several different covers and legs in 2 colors. Every table is unique with varying green pattern and natural color shifts that are part of the charm of wood. The oak is an exceedingly strong and durable hardwood with a prominent grain. It darkens beautifully with age, acquiring a golden brown undertone. Dine in style and comfort. The upholstered chairs are perfect for long meals, spending precious moments with family and friends for indulging in some relaxing me time. This coffee table combines timeless design and modern functionality and adds an elegant touch wherever you choose to place it. This beautiful lamp gives a soft light and creates a warm, cozy atmosphere in your room. You can use it in your bedroom, living room, dining room, anywhere in the house, and will make it look chic and stylish. This upholstered bed adds a touch of softness to your bedroom, bringing comfort during the night and adding style around the clock. The entire cover is removable and machine washable, making your bed easy to keep clean and use for a long time. The cover comes in 2 pieces, so it's easy to remove and put back on. The bed frame has a timeless look with soft upholstery, a gentle curved headboard, and piped edges on the headboard and footboard. The bed skirt adds to the look and hides away things that you store under the bed, a perfect space for storage boxes or bulky items. Hard woven plastic rattan looks like natural rattan, but it's more durable for outdoor use. Here you can relax and enjoy, since the wing chair's high back embraces you and creates a cocoon-like feeling while giving your head and neck comfortable support. Durable, weather-resistant, and easy care, since the furniture is made of plastic rattan and rust-proof aluminum. The pattern looks faded and worn, which gives the rug a vintage look. There's always something new to notice and treasure, thanks to the detailed pattern. The low pile of the rug is soft and nice to put your feet on. The soft surfaces adds warmth and coziness to your living room or bedroom. Skilled craftsmen people have woven the product by hand, so each one is one of a kind. You can use the ottoman in many ways, as a footrest, extra seating, or as a table if you place a tray on top. More than just a spare seat or decorative piece, this ottoman also has a convenient storage space. This beautiful shelf unit has solid wood and a natural feel. The shelves are adjustable so you can customize your storage as needed. One stationary shelf for high stability. Adjustable feet for stability on uneven floors. Large drawers for hidden dust-free storage. A timeless feel in light gray with beveled panels that add a sense of craftsmanship and attention to detail. You get a warm and graceful ambience that becomes a statement of your unique style. This beautiful braided basket has a unique look since each basket is handmade. You can also use the basket in a damp area, such as a bathroom. The cotton in this duvet cover is a soft, natural material that breathes, absorbs moisture, and feels comfortable against your skin. Here are other pieces that I also loved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.